Welcome, welcome, welcome. Hello, I'm your host, Mrs. M. And if you haven't, make sure you click the link below. That way you can subscribe to my channel and not miss out on anything you need to scale your cleaning business to six figures and beyond. Pow! So this is the end of my video series on going from the various stages from zero all the way up to 88K, which is actually $1 million in your cleaning business. Yay! So if you looked at all of these videos, if you haven't not looked at all of the series of videos, make sure you go back, look at all 4 of them. And what I'd like to offer is an opportunity to work with me personally in what I call my startup to scale up. So I'm going to start you up depending on what stage you're in. You will not have to go back any stages or advance to any. We're going to set you from right where you are to go to the next stage and the next stage and the next stage. So if you haven't, like I said, look at the other videos. This offer is going to be for 1 day only, for 24 hours. You will have the opportunity to work with my team. And I'm so excited. I have not ever offered this before in this kind of format. So I'm so excited. So if you're interested, please do the following. Reach out in the description to the phone number, which is 407-986-8228, and simply text, "Yes, I am interested." We will then have your phone number and someone will give you a call back. We like to make sure that before we sign you up for anything, you're a good match for us. And of course, we're a good match for you. So if you're interested, simply text "yes." Make sure we have your phone number, and you can text "yes" to 407-986-8228. That's 407-986-8228. Just simply texting "yes." We will get back with you and kind of go over where you are and see where the fit would be for the next step for you in the stages from 0 up to stage 5. So starting at stage 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, or 0 up to 88K. Like I said, I'm going to do this for the next 24 hours. So I'm so excited. Make sure you reach out, give us a text so we can get you started on this journey. I want you to have an absolutely fantastic day. And if you haven't, make sure you take care of yourselves. And till next time, be safe and take care. Bye-bye.